Hey guys, Tisai here. How y'all doing? I'm back again with another wig review, and this one is by Freetress Equal, and she's called Ladonna, and I have her in 1B, and this is what the stock card looks like. She is long and she is gorgeous. I'm living my share Naomi Campbell fantasy right now. I'm loving this. If you would like to see how I install this and my final thoughts, keep on watching. Just a few specs on Ladonna. It's called Level Up by Equal, Freetress Equal. Apparently they had another unit, but it wasn't a lace front. I can't remember the name of it. They say it's HD lace. It came pre-plucked, so it's ready to wear, which it was. I'm wearing this glueless. I did not apply any adhesive to this one, as you can see. But because of how she's styled, that's fine, and also for this video I didn't think it was necessary. She came with baby hair, and she really did. It wasn't a whole lot to it. It was very easy to work with. I actually decided to use some of the baby hair along with mine for this look today. She costs under $30, so maybe about $29.95 or something like that. I believe there's an upcharge of additional $2 or $4 or something like that for the specialty colors. I like this one, for instance, like the model on here. Pretty, ain't it? But she probably looks shiny on camera, but you know what? I don't even mind it. I find I'm getting a lace front human hair vibes, and I'm living for it. I love it. It's beautiful. Yeah, so I just applied a little bit of heat, as you saw, and I didn't even have to do that because she's laying pretty flat, and I have some chunky plaits under here, and she's laying really flat, guys. Not bad at all. This was so easy. It was really just to put on, but I think if you want to get some additional hold with this one, you might want to, you know, maybe glue her down or pin her down to your hair. To say this is big head friendly might be a stretch. I think it's more like big head associate. I did not have to adjust the straps, and it's fitting pretty snug-ish, but I'm sure if I adjusted these straps a little more, I wouldn't have to worry about her going back or anything like that. It's a layered unit, so it's short in front but pretty long in the back. So see where it's hitting? Right at the beginning of my derriere, and I am 5'8" without heels. Long, gorgeous unit. The density is not bad. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, so definitely I would say maybe about a 150 density or something like that, but it's just perfect for this style. I didn't need it to be thicker. The texture is not silky. It's on the slight yucky feel. I would say it's about 4 inches. of pattern space. I didn't have to open up the part. I just put a little bit of my powder in the pattern space and in the hairline, so you might still see where the lace ends and stuff. I don't want to put too much. I think it's a win. I really love it. Yeah. So that pretty much wraps up this review. So guys, another quick one. Thank you so much for joining me, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.